Welcome back to Phenom Yachts to Build. I'm Sean Reel. In episode 2, we talked with you about the Marlin Tower boat. That's very obviously a Phenom 37 that we're going to put a Marlin Tower on top of. And if you see behind me, the boat's missing a really important piece of the puzzle, the hardtop. All right, so behind me is the very first fully customized Phenom 37 hardtop, built specifically to receive the Marlin Tower. In episode 2, we showed you the mold and the renders of this process and how it came from the very beginning. And now we get to look at the part in real life before it goes on later on today. Let's take a look at some of these customizations. There's been 3 major changes to this hardtop versus our standard hardtop. We've got the scalloped aft section for ease of access. The standing platform has been reinforced and enlarged, and we've moved the radar position. The first thing you'll notice are these scalloped aft sections. This allows the ladder to seamlessly integrate into the back of the hardtop for ease of access on both port and starboard sides. The ladder will fit nicely underneath the hardtop, and the indentions or cutaways make it very easy access to the second station and give it a very clean look. The next change was made to the standing platform. Not only is this part nearly double the size of the standard hardtop, we also had to further reinforce it with additional coring material to support the weight of 1 to 2 people standing up top. The third change was for the radar. We had to move the mounting surface in front of the standing platform to allow clearance for it to spin up, and also so it doesn't get in the way when you're using or accessing the Marlin Tower. All right, guys, it's been a few weeks now. We're here at Ross Marine, just outside of downtown Charleston. Ross Marine is a world-class facility with an excellent staff. We're here today. They're going to help us with the Marlin Tower. They're going to lift it for us. They're going to help us put it on the hardtop here on this Phenom 37. We're going to permatize it so it's not coming off. And then they're going to help us get it to the water so we can get this thing ready for the customer to come take delivery here in Charleston. Let's go check it out. All right, so progress report. We've got the tower lifted into the air. We've got it placed. We're gonna go ahead and hard fit it. We're putting some glue around all these screws and bolts to make sure that it's secure as can be, especially while you're offshore. We're gonna go through and do a series of these throughout the whole boat. This is the easy part. And then we start running cables through all these pipes to make everything connect up to the top in the pod. All right, so the team's here. We're on the Phenom 37, the top's on. Just a quick update. We're running the chases, we're running the wires through the hardtop, down behind the console so we can plug everything up so that everything works on the second station as it does down here at the helm. All right, so our wiring harnesses are all plugged, everything checks out. We've done a test up top to make sure everything reads properly and we're all good to go. We're gonna get this stuff tightened up a little bit so we have an unobstructed view for our testing. We're gonna get it to the water and check it out, see what she can do. All right, components are checked out. Everything's plugged up and ready to roll. It's coming off the travel lift right now. We're ready to go out and give this thing a test. All right, everybody, we're happy up here. The Marlin Tower is great. I've got great visibility from up at this vantage point. It's gonna be awesome when we get this thing out and start chasing some fish down. We appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like us and subscribe. Thanks for watching this episode of The Build. We'll catch you on the next one.